Alright, so what you can see on my screen is I've opened up Shotcut. I clicked on a new project when it comes up, and then I clicked on Open File. When you click on Open File, it lets you choose what you want, and then you click Open. Okay, when you do that, it populates it over here. If you notice, I don't have any tracks down here. So I'm going to click on this hamburger menu right here. Now I'll put Add Video Track. And then it's going to populate down here. So I'm going to go ahead and add another Add Video Track. Click. So I have my 2 tracks. My next part is I want to add, I believe what I need is the green screen track on top. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to drag him down to here and let go. There we go. And then this one, same thing. Drag him down to here, let go. Notice the one on top's longer, but we can fix that. Okay. First off, it took me a while to get ready, so let's see here. Right about there. Okay. Now I'm going to right click. Now split that playhead. Click over here. I'll hit backspace and delete it. Now I can move this guy forward. Sweet. So now I hit play. It's me eating chips. But you can obviously see my green head. So I'm click here. Then I'll go up to the top and click on filters. When I click on filters, it's going to bring up a menu right over here. In theory, there we go. And I'm going to click the plus button. And I'm going to click on video. Then I'm going to find chroma key. I'm going to click on simple because, well, I need it to be simple. And there we go. So now I can click the little dropper. I'm going to click on my head. Poof. Ho, ho, ho. There we go. And of course you can make it more or less. Okay. I'm going to stop right there. That looks great. So now look over here. I don't have a head anymore. How cool is that? And now, I don't know what to do with my potato chip. That's what you do when you don't know what to do with your potato chip. You stick it in your pocket. Oh yeah. So that is my video on how to use chroma key in Shotcut. Thanks for watching.